Hi, this is Pres Dave, and I'm here to make one of my favorite breakfasts. It includes two things that every breakfast should have. The first is coffee. No breakfast without coffee. I love coffee. And the second is Renee's homemade bread. Now the breakfast I'm going to make is called Bird in a Nest, and it starts with a slice of Renee's bread. I'm going to cut the heel off. She made this bread yesterday. It is just a fresh loaf. Take the heel off because I need a slice that is just sliced bread. Okay, so here's that slice of bread, and I'm going to take this cutter. It's made to do exactly this, to cut a hole in the bread. This is making the nest. Okay, so I've got the hole and the bread. Now we're going to go over to the other side of the kitchen and we're going to start cooking. One of the reasons that I love this so much is because it reminds me of my grandma Snyder, my mother's mother. Let's see how it's doing so far. Is it coming along? Good, a little more. So it's time to turn it over, flip it in the pan. You need a spatula, reach into the pan and turn it. See, on this side it's cooked and now it's cooking on the other side. My wife Renee is my videographer and I appreciate her helping because I'm inept in the kitchen. With her help, she's giving me instructions between each of these stages. Okay, let's see how this turned out. We take it here, flip it onto the pan, and there it is. So now it's time for breakfast. You just dig in. You've got a yolk and toast. It doesn't get any better than this.